dodo bird. One of the rarest birds in the whole world was the dodo bird. Earlier, it was dead in the 1923. It was a shame. Other creatures were dead, not except the dodo bird. The Tasmanian tiger was dead in 1925. Sirenhead was dead in 2023. But birds like them don't extinct. But they return as pigeons, remember? Unfortunately, one of the most largest species, Titanus the terror was the largest of them all. Then he was the worst bird in the whole world. He was extinct a million years ago. Let's make our imagination. What if dodo birds became unextinct? But the legs from the birds used to fly and jump, run and speed like other birds for stupid reasons. And just for that, unfortunately, dodo birds had more species feathers. They're all white on their feathers from the bottom. Trivia time coming. Well, did you know dodo bird was not the only prehistoric creature? None ever. No. Actica stega, velociraptor, and Tasmanian tiger or even mammals. Prehistoric creatures that didn't live in a million years ago. But in the travel says a million years ago they find a skeleton of the dodo bird, but dead. Velociraptor was discovered in Mongolia in 1915. I hope you learned something today and like this video. Please, if you don't do it, then I will come you to make you pay.